Most BMW dealers will never tell you what you are about to hear, because some of these free services and entitlements directly cost them money every time you claim what is already yours. There are things you may have already paid for or are still legally entitled to that most owners never realize exist. Some of these are written into your warranty. Others are quietly tied to recalls, service campaigns, or owner programs that dealers do not advertise. For the next few minutes, we are revealing 7 free services BMW owners can claim. And the final one is the one that catches people off guard the most, because it can apply to repairs they already paid for. Let us get into it. There is a service most BMW owners never claim, and it sits inside your warranty paperwork without anyone pointing it out. You can usually check eligibility in a few minutes by looking up your VIN through BMW's official service portal or calling your dealer's service department directly. Most owners assume warranty coverage ends the moment the standard 4-year period closes. They never check whether their car has open service campaigns, which are different from recalls and operate under separate rules. Here is what happens. BMW issues service campaigns when a known issue affects a specific batch of vehicles. Unlike recalls, these are not always announced publicly. They are loaded into the dealer's system tied to your VIN. If you bring the car in for unrelated service, the technician may quietly handle the campaign. But if you never bring the car in, you never find out it existed. You will notice this as repeated small failures in components that always seem to fail at the same mileage. Water pumps, oil filter housings, certain ignition coils. Many of these issues have active service campaigns tied to them that owners never claim. The fix is simple. Call your local BMW dealer's service department, give them your VIN, and ask specifically, are there any open service campaigns or goodwill coverage on this vehicle? That exact wording matters because campaigns are tracked separately from recall. This costs nothing and takes less than 10 minutes compared to paying full retail for a repair that BMW would have covered. A water pump replacement out of pocket runs $800 to $1,400. Most of that is labor, not the part itself. And this is where it gets interesting, because even if you find no open campaigns, there is another category of free coverage most owners never check. There is a separate program called Goodwill Assistance, and most BMW owners have no idea it exists. You can request it by speaking directly with the service manager, not just the service advisor. Most owners assume that once their warranty expires, every repair becomes their financial responsibility. That is not how BMW's goodwill policy actually works. Here is what happens. When a major component fails just after the warranty period, sometimes by months, sometimes by years, BMW often provides partial or full coverage as a customer retention measure. They do not advertise this. They do not offer it automatic, but it exists, and it is documented in internal dealer guidance. You will notice this as situations where someone you know got a major repair handled for free or at a steep discount, while you paid full price for something similar. The difference is usually that they asked and you did not. The fix is to escalate any major repair conversation directly to the service manager. Mention your service history with BMW and politely ask whether goodwill coverage is available. Service history matters here because owners who consistently service at BMW dealers are more likely to receive coverage than those who do not. This takes one conversation and costs nothing compared to paying full price for repairs that can run $3,000 to $6,000. Most of that cost is not parts, but specialized labor. If your engine, transmission, or major electronics fail within 2 to 3 years of warranty expiration, always ask about goodwill because it often applies. Even if goodwill does not cover your specific case, there is another free service tied to the car itself. There is a software-related service that BMW owners are entitled to during every dealer visit, and most never request it. You can ask for it by name at the service desk. Most owners assume software updates only happen automatically over the air. repair or when something goes wrong. That is not accurate for most BMW models. Here is what happens. BMW releases periodic software updates for the iDrive system, the engine control unit, the transmission control module, and various assistance systems. Many of these updates fix bugs, improve efficiency, refine shift quality, or address known reliability concerns before they become warranty claims. Dealers can apply these updates during any service visit at no cost to the customer, but only if the customer asks. You will notice the absence of these updates as software glitches that come and go, unexpected restarts of the infotainment system, transmission shifts that feel slightly different than they used to, or assistance features that behave inconsistently. The fix is to ask at every service visit, are there any software updates available for this vehicle? The dealer can check your VIN in seconds. If updates are available, they should be applied at no charge during a routine visit. This costs nothing and adds maybe 30 minutes to a service appointment compared to chasing electronic gremlins through diagnostic sessions that can cost $400 to $800 per visit. Most of that diagnostic cost is technician time, not parts. And this leads to another service that operates on a similar principle, but most owners never claim it. There is a free battery service most BMW owners never request, and it has direct consequences for how long the battery lasts. You can ask for it any time you visit the dealer for service. Most owners assume battery replacement is straightforward. Buy the battery, install it, drive away. On a BMW, that is not how the system works. Here is what happens. Modern BMW batteries must be registered to the car's electrical system after replacement. The car uses this registration to set the correct charging profile for the specific battery type and age. Without registration, the alternator continues charging based on the old battery's profile, which can either overcharge or undercharge the new battery. Either condition shortens the new battery's life significantly. You will notice this as a new battery that fails far sooner than expected, electrical glitches that did not exist before, or warning messages about battery condition appearing weeks after installation. The fix is simple. If you have your battery replaced anywhere, take the car to BMW and request a battery registration. On many service visits, dealers will perform this for free as part of customer goodwill, especially if you ask polite. Some charge a small fee. Either way, it is far less than the alternative. This takes about 15 minutes and costs nothing or close to it, compared to replacing a prematurely failed battery, $300 to $500, or worse, an alternator damaged by incorrect charging, which runs $800 to $1,500. Most of that cost is labor and component compatibility, not the part by itself. Here's what most people miss. This single service is one of the highest value free interactions you can have with a BMW dealer. And this brings us to a category most owners never even think to ask about. There is a class of repair that BMW occasionally covers even outside warranty and outside goodwill, and most owners never discover it because they take their car to independent shops first. You can check eligibility by requesting a service history review at any BMW dealer. Most owners assume that going to an independent shop saves them money. In some cases, that is true, but it also removes the car from the BMW system, which means any quiet coverage that might have applied is lost. Here is what happens. BMW tracks certain recurring failure patterns across model years. When a specific component fails repeatedly across many cars, BMW sometimes issues internal coverage extension, not public announcements, just notes in the dealer system. These can extend warranty on specific parts by months or years beyond the standard period. You will notice this as forum threads or owner groups discussing the same failure on the same model, often with mixed reports about who got coverage and who paid. The difference is almost always whether they brought the car to BMW first. The fix is to take any major issue to a BMW dealer for diagnosis first. Even if you plan to have the repair done elsewhere, the diagnosis fee, typically $100 to $200, can reveal whether quiet coverage applies. If it does, the entire repair costs be free. This costs the diagnostic fee, compared to repair costs that often run $2,000 to $5,000 when major components fail. Most of that repair cost is specialized parts and labor that independent shops charge slightly less for but rarely qualify for coverage. And then there is one more category that catches the most experienced owners off guard. There is a service tied to your vehicle's safety systems that BMW provides at no cost, and most owners never realize it exists until something goes wrong. You can verify eligibility during any service visit. Most owners assume safety system calibrations are only done after collisions or windshield replacements. That is partially true, but BMW also provides recalibration services in situations where assistance features begin behaving inconsistently, even without an obvious cause. Here is what happens. Cameras, radar sensors, and ultrasonic sensors on modern BMWs can drift out of calibration over time due to thermal cycling, minor vibrations, or component aging. When they drift, lane assistance, adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance all begin operating at reduced effectiveness, sometimes intervening incorrectly, sometimes failing to intervene when needed. You will notice this as assistance systems that feel slightly different than before, false alerts on roads you drive regularly, or sensors flagging warnings that resolve themselves before you can act on them. The fix is to request a sensor calibration check during any service visit. On many BMW models, this is bundled into routine service or performed at no charge if a sensor is found out of spec. Even if there is a small charge, it is far less than the alternative. This takes 30 minutes during a routine visit, compared to having a sensor module replaced when the drift becomes severe, $600 to $1,400 per module. Most of that cost is the calibration labor itself, which means catching it before replacement saves both parts and the labor that would have been required. And this brings us to the final one, the service that catches the most experienced owners off guard. There is a refund process that very few BMW owners know about, and it can apply to repairs already paid for. You can initiate it by contacting BMW North America directly, not just your dealer. Most owners assume that once they have paid for a repair, the money is gone. That is not always true. Here is what happened. When BMW issues a service campaign, recall extension, or warranty extension after a customer has already paid for the affected repair out of pocket, that customer is often eligible for reimbursement. BMW does not automatically notify previous customers. The owner must request reimbursement, provide documentation, and follow the process. You will notice this is relevant when a service campaign is announced for a part you already replaced at your own expense, or when extended warranty coverage retroactively applies to a repair you funded yourself. The fix is to keep every receipt and service record from BMW repair. Then periodically check BMW's official site for service campaigns and warranty extensions matching your VIN. If a match appears for a repair you already paid for, contact BMW North America directly and request reimbursement under the campaign's terms. This takes one phone call and some paperwork, compared to absorbing the cost of repairs that should have been covered. Reimbursements in the hundreds to several $1,000s range are not unusual. If you have owned your BMW for several years and paid for any major repairs out of pocket, this single review may be the highest value action in this entire video. Those are 7 free services BMW owners can claim that dealers rarely volunteer information about. Each of them costs nothing or close to nothing to request. Together, they can save thousands over the life of the car. If this helped you understand what you are entitled to, take a second to like and subscribe, because we keep finding more of these, and the next one could be the one that pays for itself many times over.